So on a scientific level, this is those are the two things I just want you to keep in mind on a scientific level. Look at, as soon as we discovered genetic entropy, as they say, the fat lady sung. Hopefully there's no fat ladies in here, but the fat lady sung. Because the fact is, that was the death knell to any idea of evolution, genetically speaking. And so the question I've always asked myself, why is it that God is allowing us to do all this research and to do all this study of the universe today? We're on a level of the instruments and the scientific, the satellites and all this stuff, that we can study this stuff on a level that we've never been able to do this before in history. And I honestly believe, they'll always say, oh, well, they'll say things like, well, we actually found organic compounds on this planet. Yeah, no life. Well, we found organic compounds here. Yeah, no life. Eventually, you would think that people would begin to realize that outside the Earth, the universe is sterile. There's nothing out there as far as life is concerned. And so they never find it. At this point, when you keep doing the same thing over and over and over again, and you would actually think they would stop and think to themselves, well, maybe our hypothesis is flawed, that there isn't evolution and that it's not going on other planets. But the opposite is the case. In fact, at what point do they finally say, maybe there isn't any life other than here, but they can't admit this? Because if they do, then the Bible might be true, and God might exist, and that the earth is special, which points to a special creation. And they don't want to go down that path.